The 2018 Alfa Romeo 4C, offered as a roadster or semi-convertible called Spider, is a downsized supercar and more routes than one. In the first place, it is just littler than Ferraris and Lamborghinis. Second, in value, it comes in path beneath those autos. What's more, third, it undermines them in weight, on account of a carbon fiber tub and a Turbo 4. We rate the mid-motor 4C a 5.8 general. We give it high checks for taking care of, driver criticism, and power. We subtract focuses for its minor lodge, unpleasant ride, absence of comforts, and cut-rate materials. For 2018, the 4C offers a front belt with carbon fiber vents and yellow sewing for the dark cowhide situate choice. The Alfa Romeo 4C is best purchased as a claim-to-fame auto that is utilized for entertainment only. It looks exceptional, with its low, threatening position, scoops and bends. Lines spill out of the triangular grille in advance, and articulated back hindquarters give the look of a predator prepared to jump. The 4C wakes up on a twisty street or course. The Turbo 4 puts out 237 torque and sends it to the back wheels by means of a 6-speed double-grip transmission. The mid-motor design gives it extraordinary adjust and the lightweight loans astonishing nimbleness. Include incredible grasp and the auto is reason worked for a course. The manual controlling that is so awesome at speed, in any case, is hard to manage at bring-down rates. Group that with cramped seats and an unforgiving ride and this auto is an agony to drive all the time.